In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Kaspersky Standard Internet Security Antivirus in just 5 minutes. This simple guide will help you get started with Kaspersky's powerful security tools and ensure your device stays protected. Let's dive in. First, we'll need to head over to the Kaspersky website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Kaspersky Cybersecurity Solutions for Home and Business, or simply go to kaspersky.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a host of options, but what we're interested in today lies in the upper corner of the page. The My Account button. Give that a click to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the My Account section, you'll see various tabs and features at your disposal. What we're interested in is the Downloads section. This is where you'll find all the materials you need to get Kaspersky up and running on your device. Select the Downloads tab to continue. Great, now you're in the Downloads area. Here you'll notice different offers, including options to purchase or explore features. For today, we want to take advantage of the free trial to test how Kaspersky's antivirus can meet your needs before making a commitment. Look for the Explore Free Trial button and give it a click to move forward. You're now one step away from starting your Kaspersky free trial. You'll notice a Download Free Trial button on your screen. Click this button to initiate the download process. The download should start automatically, and depending on your internet speed, it might take a couple of minutes. Once the file has finished downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder, or where your downloads typically are stored. Double-click on the installer to launch it. When prompted, follow the instructions provided by the installation wizard. It's usually a straightforward process. Accepting the terms and conditions, selecting your installation preferences if asked, and then starting the installation. After you've completed the setup, you may need to restart your device for the changes to take effect fully. Once you've done that, Kaspersky will be up and running on your system, ready to safeguard your computer against threats. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Kaspersky Standard Internet Security Antivirus in just a few simple steps. You're now equipped with one of the top layers of internet protection, ensuring your personal information and data stays secure. As always, make sure to review any prompts Kaspersky provides and keep your software up to date for the best performance and protection. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.